Oh, I didn't see you there. Let me just put this guy back. Everyone likes bunnies. I don't. Hello, nobody. Glad to meet you. I'm going to tell you about a little Japanese island now. On the island of Fukuhiroshima, it was pretty much like any other island, with cities and cars, all that jazz. Until the nukes came. It did not end well. But in the midst of all the carnage, the pet and test rabbits survived and multiplied like, well, rabbits. And soon, there were millions of them. And since all their predators were dead, they developed kind of a dodo-like nature, which made them quite fearless. To the point where they weren't afraid of humans. Some people have even gotten trampled by them. Goodbye.